सो आपने जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया मेरे बारे में वो बहुत पुराना है और मैंने स्टार्ट किया था आपको ये जो इतने प्रॉब्लम जो है मशीन एमेंट का मशीन ट्रांसलेशन इट वाज देयर इन 1989 when JNU and this IIT Kanpur started this. From that time this graph is coming and they are facing the problem. What I am trying to convey the message, it is not the problem of only computer. It is problem of the language also. मेरे भाषा का भी समस्या है. इसके लिए मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कल हरप्रीत त्रिपाठी. Let it is not there now. In that Sampurna Sanskrit University, I was a research officer. So उन्होंने कहा कि भाषा विज्ञान या कुछ भी करेगा तो मनुष्य का जब ट्रांसलेशन करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है तो मशीन कैसे करेगा. ये 1991-93 की बात है. एक्चुअली ही सेड कि वन विद एग्जांपल गंगायाम घोषा. तो इफ यू आर इन निर्भर गंगा दिस हैज मीनिंग. It can be Ganga Tira Ghosa Lakshana, or it can be a boat in the Ganga. But I am in Bangalore. I am saying Gangayam Ghosa. So this is context sensitive meaning. That is Bhavnatak meaning. So said Vishish Ghosa. That computer cannot do. But if you want to do translation, you have to develop knowledge database. For question answer session, this all debate was happening. I think this debate was meaningless. You have to take the help of database. You have to develop database to put meaning for like if you are trying to say something, घोष is in अर्थवादी जहाँ होता है जैसे गंगा में घर तो अर्थवादी होता है क्योंकि संहिता जिसको कहा अम्बा मैम ने तो पहले उसको अर्थवादी करने से उसका इंडिकेटेड मीनिंग आएगा तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि इसका इंडिकेटेड मीनिंग हुआ. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने कुछ काम किया है. तो इंडिकेटेड मीनिंग के लिए आपको मैनुअल हेल्प लेना पड़ेगा. देन यू विल फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ गंगा तिरी घोषा. गंगा एम Navika etc. means boat. That meaning will come. But if you are in Bangalore saying that Seth Pavanish Vishisht Ghosa, that is Bhava, Mimamsa meaning, Vedant meaning, that is Seth Pavanat Vishisht Ghosa. So this ghost cannot come coming through computer. So this ghost is house. So if house can be on the river Ganga, no, not possible because there is not general meaning blocked, deadlock. So there you have to change another aspect of meaning that is indicated meaning. That actually Nyaya talks about that. And finally the Bhavatma meaning that is Mimamsa talks. So three types of meaning is coming. So that if you will give the context, computer will give that help. So I am trying to convey that on meaning aspect, no even natural aspect we are failing on translation. So how can machine will do? And third point I am trying to convey, Pandian Ashtadhyayi has helped computer. It is not computer that is adding value to Pandian Ashtadhyayi. तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि कंप्यूटर से बहुत सारी चीजें जो प्रोसीजर था, प्रक्रिया जो थी उसकी, जिसको आप कह सकते हैं, उसको कंप्यूटर ने लिया. स्पेशली मुझे लगता है कि आपको जब प्रतिहार बनाते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले आदिर अंत्य नसाहिता ये कंप्यूटेशनल एक कंस्ट्रक्ट है जिसको कि हम फॉर लूप कह सकते हैं. तो पूरे प्रतिहार के लिए इनपुट दो लेटर करेंगे. एक आप आदि लेटर करेंगे च हल वर्ड होगा तो उसमें यूज होगा तो ही आ च. The set of database there also will be the 14 Maheshwar Sutra. 14 Maheshwar Sutra will be database. And finally, that set of letters, that is Swarvarna, will come. So, and that is can be 200 plus or 300 plus. But actually, when I raise this question to our scholars like Vidyan Vasvishra, he is not there now, and also Kalapati Party, he said meaningful. But Thara can be used into Pandian grammar, has been used into Pandian grammar. So that is keyword kind of thing. So So we can say keyword has been derived from Pandya Sadai in computer. And that is the first part, that like int or double and all. So, but what is not there into Sanskrit Shastra? How can computer help you? So their solution has come, and that is also coming from Sanskrit Shastra. And actually, I remember that when people are finding problem in database, accessing data uniquely from the database, their normalization come into picture. And normalization actually, so many scholars like Tate courts, and Bibin has, they all talk about. And when I studied Sanskrit Shastra, especially some Parampara story, as in Bhagavad Gita. So that one story came, and I learned there from Sanskrit University, Banarsi, Sampurnanand. So they said, it was Kalidas who talks about Khadan na gacchami, Hasan na janmi, Peshtacha bachmi, Punar na bachmi, Gabhyam Tityo na bhavami rajam, Kim ko karnam bhoj bhavami jam mutva. So that परंपरा स्टोरी संस्कृत शास्त्र का था, और वो मुझे संस्कृत के फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट इसको कहते हैं कि एक्चुअली collection of databases, that is corpora of text. That was a DOE project, and Vinchadana and also Ramanujan Pharmacy was there. Finally, we found corpora was developed, but that was not enough. And also in that aspect, when I started management and all, so I will be teaching database normalization through Kalidasa. So those fourth normalization rules, they are already stated into our Shastra. Also, we say not only that normalization rules, and here I think the solution will come knowledge base should be like database, not it computer will do and solve the problem. So what I am saying, you have to develop the database for question answer also. So if you do not know what in your text doesn't show, you say this, so you cannot generate, by generation you cannot get answers. There you want to add database. Database means following normalization concepts. And that concept I am trying to explain you. That was especially said by a story I am trying to convey. That you may have heard the story of that I got through Sampurnanand Sanskrit University. When I was working as a software designer there in the DOE project, this is the same TDIL project. So actually I heard the story. Raja Bhoj was a scholar, and Vidushi Bhoj was the king, was also a scholar of Sanskrit. And she was talking with her friend, and then Raja Bhoj came there. She said him, I am Matraj. Then he realized, why this Vidushi king talking me foolish? And he wanted this answer. But today the answer was raised by our experts. Why database is a major tenet for machine translation of such kind of that Bhavana meaning, context meaning, and also primary meaning. So there we need to develop knowledge base, not this graph, recursive graph. So recursion has another constraint or deadlock. So they will not solve your problem. So recursion of Pannian grammar may not solve that problem. But we faced this problem, recursion problem, into our parsing in the beginning. For even parsing a simple word of Sanskrit. And there was a technology, graphic interface technology. You may have heard of this technology. So that time, this kind of solution was there, and we developed parsing there, using a recursion. And not through for loop. We use predicate logic of for log, and then we solve. So if you want to solve these things, first you parse that sentence. Then translation, or you will get the translation. First, you are not able to parse it. So first parsing is the problem for Indian scripts. And I found a lot of problem there. So मुझे कहना है कि अगर आप सेंटेंस को पार्स नहीं कर सकते हो तो उसका ट्रांसलेशन कहाँ से आएगा? तो बेसिक डेटा को हम आप पार्स करके निकल नहीं सकते, उसका ट्रांसलेशन करना बहुत क्योंकि उनका पार्स नहीं हो रहा है। तो गूगल जो है हिंदी के स्क्रिप्ट को प्रॉपर्ली पार्स नहीं कर पा रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि एक सेंटेंस का एंड देना पड़ेगा, तो दैट एंड यू हैव टू डू बाय प्रेडिकेट लॉजिक। और मे भी अनमय थोड़ा कर सकते हैं, और अनमय किया है उन्होंने स्पेशली। आपको भगवत गीता का देखा मैंने, तो सबसे बढ़िया अनमय जो है वो अरविंदो के द्वारा दिया गया भगवत गीता है, उसमें है भगवत गीता में। तो अगर आप अनमय के साथ अगर सेंटेंस को रखेंगे और तो आपके कुछ जगह पर जो प्रॉब्लम होगा, स्पेशली जो भावात्मक मीनिंग के लिए, तो उसके लिए आपको डेटाबेस बनाना पड़ेगा। तो वो ट्रांसलेशन अभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, और न फ्यूचर में अगर डेटाबेस आप डेवलप नहीं करेंगे तो नहीं होगा। और वहाँ पर आपको नॉर्मलाइजेशन नहीं करते, उसको रिलेशन डेटाबेस के नॉर्मलाइजेशन करते हैं उसको, तो टेक्निक यूज करना पड़ेगा। ग्राफिक टेक्निक तो मैं आपको 90 से देख रहा हूँ, और आईटी प्लस सीटेक के साथ दोनों ही ट्रांसलेशन का टेक्निक दिखाया जा रहा है। तो आज तक ऊपर सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिला है। मेरा कहना है कि आपको डेटाबेस मैनुअली तैयार करना पड़ेगा, नॉलेज बेस तैयार करना पड़ेगा, और कुछ उसमें आपको डेवलपमेंट जैसे कि सेमाफोर होता है, वैसे ही आपको कुछ कंडीशन
उज्जवल जी
सिग्नल लगाना पड़ेगा फॉर ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस हिस्टोरिकल सिचुएशन। जो शास्त्रीय जो केस बताए गए थे गंगायाम कोसा, ऐसे ट्रांसलेशन के लिए आपको एग्जाम्पल उसका मशीन नहीं कर सकता है।